Get ready with me to go to Pride. We're starting off wearing this kind of bralette because I'm going to be wearing a muscle tee. And look how cute this is from the side, like a little bit of green moment. And I just think it'll look really cute. But the muscle tee I'm going to wear, you're not ready for. We're totally ignoring how, like, wrinkled this is, but it's an absolute vodka Pride shirt that they gave me last year at Pride Fest. I just love this muscle tee so much. Like, I think it is so cute. I wear it all the time. I'm a vodka girly, gender neutral girly. It is, I accidentally did wash it with like a blue Renaissance skirt, so it's a little blue instead of white, but like, look how cute that is with the little peak of the bralette coming out. And then we're gonna go find a skirt to pair it with. So our two skirt options are like a pleated purple one or a pleated black one with like white on the edge, but I wore that exact fit last year, so I think I'm gonna go with the pleated purple one and see how that looks. Hot. I like it. I just wish I had a steamer with me. I think the big issue I'm having is like, what the heck do I do with my hair? Because it's so hot outside, you know, because it's like the middle of June. We're in summer, but I don't know. I've been hating my hair so much lately. It's gotten so long too, which is really weird. I just like don't know what to do with it anymore. So it's just like doing whatever. Maybe I'll just put it up in a ponytail or something. I don't know. I don't even know how to style my hair anymore or what would look good. I mean, he looks fine. He looks basic, but we're gonna throw in some like accessories or something. Maybe like a scrunchie. Should I do pink or should I do rainbow colors? Maybe I should stick to rainbow colors. I'm trying to grab some like little hair clippies to put in my hair because I think that'd be cute. Okay, that's what they look like if you saw that. But of course we gotta add like the rainbow sunglasses, like, you know, like so they sit up here like that, so I look like a bad bitch. Maybe I should have put on a necklace before all this shit in my hair. It's fine. It's fine. I'm probably just gonna do like a dinosaur choker. Mwahaha. He's a dinosaur. Look at him. He's so cute. I just realized I need to leave in 3 minutes. So we're gonna put in my they them pronoun like Barbie themed earrings. Very cute. I'm so freaking late, but I added on a belt with some chains on it, and some shocks. And I'm just gonna throw on some gym shoes really quick, and then we'll head out. Okay, this is the fit. We got my pastel white shoes on. Gonna bring my Virgo bag. I have a bunch of Pride pins in it. I'm gonna put on at the restaurant. I feel really cute. My eyeliner looks awesome. My hair looks cute. Happy Pride, everybody, from your favorite NB. Hee hee. Happy Pride.